How to make resistant starch rice. Ingredient 1 cup white rice, which is 200 grams, 2 tablespoon coconut oil, and then water. Instruction: cook the rice. Add the rice and water to a pot or rice cooker according to your usual cooking method. Add the coconut oil to the water before bringing it to a boil. Cook the rice as you normally would. Then cool the rice. Once cooked, transfer the rice to an airtight container and refrigerate for at least 12 hours, preferably 24 hours. Reheat and enjoy. You can reheat the rice in a microwave or on the stove. The rice may have a slightly different texture than usual, but it will still be delicious and have a lower glycemic index. Tips: you can enjoy any type of white rice, but basmati rice seems to work best for this method. You can adjust the amount of coconut oil based on your preference. This method can also be used with brown rice, but it will not increase the resistance starch content as much as with white rice. You can add other healthy fats like avocado oil or olive oil instead of coconut oil. This method helps reduce calorie content of rice by up to 50%. The cooling process is essential for the formation of resistant starch, so you can also freeze the cooked rice for later use. This method has shown to increase resistance starch by up to 10 times and reduce calorie by 5 to 15%.